In front of me is Realme 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store to download free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then choose Consent. And to manage your wallpaper however you want to, click on this gear at the top left corner. Then check out all of those options, adjust them perfectly for you, and check out Preview at the top. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Hit Yes. Tap on Apply To and decide where by clicking on one of those options. Last but not least, make sure to hit Apply at the top right corner. Then go back. As you can see, after a few seconds my wallpaper was successfully applied. If you want to try something different, you can always go back to the same app, change whatever you want to, for example, try one of those themes, and then set it up the same way as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!